Hi guys, TonieSha here. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a quick tutorial on how to add or make a YouTube thumbnail. The app that we're gonna be using is called Phonto. That's the only app that we're gonna be using for our thumbnail. Let's pull up Phonto. In the bottom, click the camera. I'm gonna be using a plain image here, but if you wanna choose a photo from your photo library, that's totally fine. Make sure that the size is 1280 by 720. That is the standard size of a YouTube thumbnail. Otherwise, it won't work or your thumbnail will be cropped. I'm gonna choose a color of sky blue here, and then on the next block I'll be choose the white color here. Then on the third block it's like a sea green color here. This is actually on how you make a gradient color. You can choose a color whatever you want. You can make it a vertical, horizontal, or vertical block, or horizontal block. Tap use and save. Then let's add text. You can put any text you want. Phonto has a variety of installed fonts here. You can pick any font for each word if you want to. You can adjust the size. If you actually click the style button here, it shows you a bunch of things, like you can add shadows on it. You can put a background as well. This is just, the basic on how to make a thumbnail, but I actually have a lot of ways of how to make it. Mostly vloggers using this Phonto because of its of a variety of fonts, colors, because of its stylish. But this is just only showing you the basic if you're just starting your own YouTube channel. You can add a logo here. Just search on the internet, type YouTube logo PNG. You can adjust the size. You can put whatever you want. You can, add a shape to be more stylish. You can put a speech of bubble banner here. And I don't use it much, but somehow it's, a really helpful when you're making a YouTube thumbnail. It is more unique if you add photos on it, a little more touches to make it unique than having a bunch of text on a plain image. This is how to make your thumbnail more stylish and attractive, and to look your thumbnail more interesting. So there you have it. This is how I design my YouTube thumbnail here. So let's pull up YouTube Studio here. Click the video that you want to change your thumbnail. Then on the top right corner, click the pencil. Then click again the pencil. Then click upload photos there. Hit save. So there you have it. I hope this video find it helpful. Thank you so much for watching.